4739, your battery is low.
All right, guys. So we're here at the park. I'm going to test out this 8S 6-inch quad. I just built this yesterday, and I think it's time to test it. Show you guys what we're flying. HGLRC Win 6 frame. I've got a Racer Star reach up 100 amp 8S ESC. It's a 4-in-1. Got an iFlight F7 Twin G flight controller. That's a 2.1 version. We've got the RunCam Lumineer edition Eagle. 2 4S China Hobby line 1100 batteries. We're running a TBS Pro 32 HV VTX. Right now we've got just a lollipop on here for testing, just in case there's a crash. I don't want to break a nice $25 VAS antenna. We are running a Panasonic 50 volt 1000 UF cap on here. It's a monster cap, it's huge. We are running a TBS Nano receiver, which is right there on the bottom plate, and the Zing 2806 1300 kV motors. And then I made this mount. This is for a Hero 8. So we're gonna go do a flight.
I'll let you flick that switch again. Bad.
I'm doing another flight with the 8S quad just to verify that it's good. This is 4 flights in a row. The only thing I have done is let it sit and cool off for 3 to 5 minutes per flight. So we're gonna plug in these 2 XT60s, and we'll plug in our ground fault interrupter, and we'll be powered. landed at like 3.2. Let's get it unplugged before it goes volatile on us. There we go. All right, so my 8S testing is done. That's flight number 4. I've drained it completely dead. Batteries are pretty warm. This one motor is a little hot, but it's just warm actually. It's not unbearable to hold on to. It's definitely feeling like hot water. It works good. 4 test flights in a row, no issues, no hiccups, no flippity floppities. Now I just need to work on the tune in high wind. So yeah, check y'all later. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for the high wind tuning session later.
I came from the mud. There's